Hello and welcome here. So, this is a five-part series which I am starting with mastering the art of family leadership. So, what is the concept of family leadership? Family leadership is the capacity to interact with civil society with the purpose and positive outcomes for the children. Family leadership emerges when family and community leaders give the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in leadership roles that help shape the future of children, youth, and families. So, mastering the art of family and leadership is a five-part series. We'll start with the first part. So, five ways a leader must be built a family environment to achieve excellence. So, the society or a family should be built in a certain way to get a leadership in your children. So it starts with give your team a sense of ownership. Everyone must protect one another, instill values to enable a trust culture, encourage people to speak up, and develop a succession plan. There is a famous quote that leaders are born, not made. Though many studies have proven it invalid in this era, the permanent question is how do we make leaders? Would like to talk about one such method and experience leadership through family dynamics. So, family is the first enterprise in every human's life. Your family environment shapes you as individual, as a team member, or as a leader. Your daily activities, as simple as sharing toys with your siblings, deciding which game to play, and who will be it, many others. So this develops leadership qualities. Do you remember we used to play game, hide and seek, or police and chore kind of games we used to play. So everybody was playing the role, a different idol role they are playing, and everybody is practicing how they are doing their duties. So I was born in a typical family in India, surrounded by uncles, aunts, cousins, family values, develop a mindset and how to treat others. I learned to lead, direct, manage while playing with friends, completing the jobs or resolving conflicts among siblings. As a part of my life, though these experiences are learned when to be a teammate or a manager or a leader, when to be authoritative, democratic, and paternalistic. So this is what I carried in professional world as I evolved in life. So my public speaking skills were developed while sharing my thoughts at the dinner table in front of my family, performing family functions. I like to host all our events. Family provides a platform where one is not embraced but gain confidence, fail and rise. We always share what's happening and how we can start again even if we fail. Even if we don't get results which we intend to, we always try to tell our children that see, life is like that. There will be success, there will be failures, and in these scenarios, you have to rise and play again. We always give them the example of the uh, players in the games, in marathons, in Olympics, the people practice years and years, fail and rise, fail and start again, and someday become successful. Define my leadership style as communication. I connect to my teammates, understand their mindset and style of working. This helps me to get work done and keep the teammates thrilled. When I think about the source of this style, I relate it how I am brought up. In my childhood, my parents used to take me to their friends, make me accompany in their day-to-day tasks like going for shopping, banking, buying grocery. So I learned to socialize, talk to people, make connections. Thus, I understood the value of networking and compassion. To motivate people to work with you, you need to make a connect and build trust. You step into their shoes and encourage people to take the ownership. People go an extra mile when they are valued, and that I have seen in my life. Many of my colleagues, because the way I am with them, they do extra mile, go extra mile to do certain jobs. In a family, you learn values like authority, kindness, sharing, patience, respect, hard work, and many others. So, realizing the benefit and able to connect with my childhood to the person I am today, I make conscious efforts to pass on these values to my next generation. As a parent, I try to imbibe these traits into my daughters through their experiences as a family member. An effort as simple as engaging to accompany me while hosting a family event, giving them chance to speak up could go a long way in developing their personal skills. So, by gaining insight into childhood and family dynamics, we can determine how our experiences can influence the behavior throughout the years. So, let's begin. So, let me introduce the topic Mastering the Art of Family Leadership. And this is a 5 part series. So, a family leader, we play a crucial role in guiding and nurturing our loved ones towards fulfilling their prospective life. But what does it take to excel in this role? In the 5 part series, we'll explore the key master areas essential for every family leader to cultivate. From fostering strong relationships to managing influences and beyond, let's see on the journey of growth and empowerment together. So, the part one will cover the first mastery of the family leader. So, in the first installment of our series, we delve into the foundational skills of effective communication and empathy. Learn how to cultivate open and honest dialogues within the family, navigate conflicts with grace, truly understood the needs and emotions of each family member. Discover how mastering these skills can strengthen bonds and lay groundwork for a harmonious and supportive family environment. The part two, the second mastery, will cover the importance of setting clear values, boundaries within the family unit. Discover how to establish a shared sense of purpose and identity. Uphold core principles. Create a safe and respectful space for everyone to thrive. So, by mastering these skills, you will foster cohesive family culture in mutual respect and understanding. The third mastery we need it is we turn our attention to the art of decision making and problem solving. Learn how to make informed and thoughtful decisions that align with your family's values and goals. Navigate complex challenges with confidence. Lead your family towards positive outcome. By owning these skills, you will become a trusted and effective leader capable of guiding your family through life's up and downs. Part number 4, we explore the realm of financial literacy and management, gain the knowledge and skills needed to create and maintain a solid financial foundation for family, from budgeting and saving to investing and planning for the future. Discover how mastering financial management can relieve the stress, foster the stability, and pave the way for a brighter financial future for all your loved ones. And last part, fifth mastery, which we need to have, is we conclude our series by focusing on importance of self-care and personal growth. Explore strategies for prioritizing your own well-being, managing stress, cultivating a healthy work-life balance, and by prioritizing self-care. You will not only become a better leader for your family, but also set a powerful example of resilience, self-love for those who are along with you. So conclusion of all this five will be, as a family leader, our journey towards mastery is never ending. By owning these skills and embracing growth and learning, we can create a family dynamic root in love, support, and empowerment. So let's join us the transformative journey as we strive to become the best family leader we can be. So let's meet in the part number 1. So tomorrow we meet with part number 1, first mastery of the family leader, effective communication and empathy.